Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important questions on the topic problems on trains. So let's start. See, in this question, what is given? A 150-meter long train crosses a milestone in 15 seconds. Okay, and a train of same length, that is 150 meter, which is coming from opposite direction, so both trains crosses each other in 12 seconds. So we have to find the speed of the second train. Okay, how we can solve this? So first we can calculate the speed of the first train because it is crossing a milestone in 15 seconds and length of train is given as 150 meter. So speed of first train, it will be equal to distance traveled and it will be equal to length of the train. So 150 meter divided by time taken, that is 15 seconds. So it is 10 meter per second. Now we will assume the speed of the second train. Let speed of second train be x meter per second. So what will be the relative speed? As these are traveling in opposite direction, so speed of both the trains will be added. Therefore, relative speed, it will be equal to 10 plus x, this much meter per second. Okay. Now to cross each other, total distance to be covered equal to sum of lengths of the two trains. So it will be 150 plus 150 divided by relative speed. So it is 10 plus x and time given is 12 seconds. Okay. So from this we can calculate 300 equal to 120 plus 12x, and from this 12x equal to 180, or x will be equal to 15. So 15 meter per second. Therefore speed of other train, it is equal to 15 meter per second. But if we see the options, speed is in kilometer per hour, so we need to multiply it by 18 by 5 to convert it into kilometer per hour. So it is in kilometer per hour and it will be equal to 54 kilometer per hour. Our answer will be option number D. Okay, we will discuss next problem. See, in this problem it is given a train X which started from Meerut at 4 p.m. reached Ghaziabad at 5 p.m. while another train Y started from Ghaziabad at 4 p.m. and reaches Meerut at 5:30 p.m. So the two trains will cross each other at, so we have to find the time. Okay. So how we can solve this? So we will assume the distance between Meerut and Ghaziabad. Let the distance between Meerut and Ghaziabad, Meerut and Ghaziabad, be x kilometer. Okay. So time taken by x, time taken by train x to cover x kilometer, to cover x kilometer, it is 1 hour. 1 hour because it is starting at 4 and reaching at 5. Similarly, time taken by y to cover same distance, but the time is 1.5 hour. Okay, so 1.5 hour or 3 by 2 hour. Now the ratio of time taken by x and y, the ratio of times x to y, it will be 1 ratio 3 by 2. Now you can see distance covered is same. So ratio of speed will be reciprocal of ratio of times. So ratio of speeds x ratio y only, it will be equal to 1 ratio 2 by 3. Okay, we need to take the reciprocal. Now you can see train x is covering x kilometer in 1 hour. So speed of train x will be x kilometer per hour. So speed of train x equal to x kilometer per hour, and train y it will be, and the speed of y it will be equal to 2 by 3 x kilometer per hour. From this ratio, 2 by 3 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now we have to find at what time they will cross each other. So we will assume late after y hours, after y hours both will cross each other. Okay. Now we will try to understand this situation with help of figure. Suppose this is two stations. Okay. Suppose here it is Meerut. So X is starting from Meerut and Y is starting from Ghaziabad. Okay. So X will travel this in this direction. Suppose they cross each other at point P. Okay. So X will travel this much distance, which is suppose x1, and Y will travel this much distance in Y hours, because we have assumed that they will cross after Y hours. So Y will cover this much, suppose x2. Now if we add x1 and x2, it will be equal to distance between Ghaziabad and Meerut, and which should be equal to total distance between Ghaziabad and Meerut, that is x. Okay. So we have to equate the distance. So distance covered by x, train x in y hour, plus distance traveled by train y in y hours must be equal to total distance between Meerut and Ghaziabad. Okay, so we will solve from that. Therefore, so distance traveled by train x. So speed of train x is x and time is y. So x into y plus speed of train y is 2 by 3x and time will be y only, and total distance will be x. So x will get cancelled out on the two sides, and we can find y equal to 3 by 5 hours, and in minute it will be 3 by 5 into 60. So it is 36 minutes. Okay, 36 minutes. Now you can see both trains are starting at 4 p.m. So they will cross each other at 4:36. So our answer will be 4:36 p.m. We will discuss next problem. See, this problem was asked in PLAT exam 2016. What is given? A train is moving at a speed of 40 km per hour and reaches its destination on time. So this is the normal speed of the train. When it reduces its speed to 35 km per hour, it will be 15 minutes late. Okay. So we have to find the distance traveled by the train. So we will assume the total distance, late distance traveled be x, traveled be x kilometer. Okay. Now with reduced speed, time taken will be more. So total distance is x kilometer divided by speed, reduced speed, that is 35, minus with normal speed it will be x divided by 40, and the difference will be 15 minutes, and if we convert this into hour we need to divide by 60. Okay, so solving this we will get x into 40 minus 35 divided by 35 into 40 equal to 15 divided by 60. So solving this we will get 15 by 60 into 35 into 40 divided by 5, and it will be equal to 70. Therefore required distance is 70 kilometer. So our answer will be option number A. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem it is given a train passes two bridges and length of bridges are 500 meter and 250 meter and crosses in 100 seconds and 60 seconds respectively. So we need to find the length of the train. So we will assume the length as x meter. Let length of train be x meter. Okay. Now if you see, when it is crossing the bridge of length 500 meter and crossing the bridge of 250 meter, speed must be same in both the cases. So for first case, total distance traveled to cross the bridge will be length of train, that is x, plus length of bridge, that is 500, divided by speed of the by time, that will give the speed, divided by time, so it is 100 seconds. And for the second case, total distance traveled will be length of train plus length of bridge divided by total time, that is 60. So both are equal to speed of the train, and when divided by 20 it will be 5. So 3 into x plus 500 equal to 5 into x plus 250. So from this 3x plus 1500 equal to 5x plus 1250. Okay, so we will get 2x equal to 250, or x equal to 250 by 2, that is 125. Therefore length of train will be equal to x meter or 125 meter. So our answer will be option number B. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem it is given train A and traveling at speed 63 km per hour crosses a platform whose length is 199.5 meter in 21 seconds. So we have to find how much time it will take to cross another train which is coming from opposite direction, and speed of second train is 54 km per hour and length is 157 meter. Okay, so we have to find the time. So here speed of both the trains are given. For first train, speed of train A, it is given as 63 km per hour. If we convert this into meter per second, so we need to multiply by 5 by 18, and it will be equal to 17.5 meter per second. Similarly, speed of train B, which is coming from opposite direction, it is given 54 km per hour, and to convert to meter per second we need to multiply by 5 by 18, and it will be equal to 15 meter per second. Okay, we don't know the length of the first train or train A, so we will assume length. Let length of train A be x meter. Okay, so train A crosses the platform of 199.5 meter in 21 seconds. Therefore, from this we can find the speed of train A, and we know the speed of train A. Therefore, 17.5 equal to total distance traveled to cross the platform will be length of train. So x plus length of platform 199.5 divided by total time is 21 seconds. And solving this we will get x equal to 168 meter. So length of train A will be 168 meter. Now, to cross the another train which is coming from opposite direction, we need to calculate the relative speed. So relative speed will be as both are traveling in opposite direction, so both speed will be added. Relative speed equal to 17.5 plus 15 equal to 32.5 meter per second. Therefore, required time required time to cross each other, it will be equal to sum of length of the two trains. So first train A length we have calculated 168 plus second train length is given as 157 meter divided by relative speed which is 32.5 meter per second. So this will give 325 by 32.5 second, and it will be equal to 10 seconds. So our answer will be option number D. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed some important questions on the topic problems on trains. Okay. Thank you.